Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.9060. Okay, and there is a continuous downfall, as you can see looking at this particular chart. If you go on a weekly wise also, there is a downtrend, monthly wise also, and then your day wise also, you can see all these trends are on the downside. But if we go on a year wise chart, okay, year wise chart, you will see that from 2023 that the price has made two highs. Okay, year wise high. Okay, if we calculate from this particular point, we can see these two highs are there. Okay, and if the price again started moving below a level of 2.5, chances will be very high that it will go further fall. Okay, because there is a pattern forming, and if this particular year wise pattern is forming, that if the price started falling below a level of 2.5, a further downfall we can see, and then from there a probability of crossing $2.3 will be there, and from there it will cross a level of 2 also, because there is a higher chances of it. Now if we look at this particular trend, see, a U pattern is forming. Okay, after that there is a fall, so it started going above this level. Okay, then probability of going above a level of 3.3 is there if it started sustaining above $3. Okay, and then a further upside movement we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, suppose if it started sustaining above this level, probability is higher that it will go further down, but you have to remember market is uncertain, so I'll always try to explain on both the sides. Okay, if you are keeping your SL where the market goes up and down, you can save your capital. If you are trailing your SL, you will save your profit if you are in profit. Okay, if your trailing is very important when the market is volatile. Okay, as well as SL. So suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards its next resistance coming at a level of $2.9478. Okay, and if the price keeps sustaining up this level, we will see it will go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of around $2.9030. Okay, you have to understand that as soon as it moves above this particular level, which is a level of $2.9478, and previous, this is the strong support. Okay, so if it keeps sustaining of this level, it has moved a bounce back from that level and touched this particular level if it crosses this level. Okay, and if it's going above this particular resistance, chances are very high it will go further upside, and a probability of touching 3.0179 will be there, and started going up this level, it will cross a level of around 3.0514. This 3.0514 is already being a weak resistance, so chances will be high it will move further high, and a probability of crossing that level we can see, and it will touch a level of $3.2694. Okay, and once the price started sustaining of $3.2964, it will cross that level and it will touch a level of 3.3894, and from there a probability of touching 3.596 is there. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price keeps sustaining above level of $3.0541, chances of touching 3.2699 will be there, and from there to a level of 3.3899, and if it goes above that level, we can see it will touch a level of $3.5, cross a level of 3.6594. Okay, and as soon as it sustain above this particular level, a probability of going further upside we can see, because there will be a zone breakout, and a probability that this gap can be filled after touching a level of 3.9 to a level of 4.1, and then to a level of 4.35. Okay, I keep repeating this in my most of the videos, that if the price sustain this level 3.9, it will touch a level of 4.35 on a higher side. Okay, now as market is uncertain, if you are thinking that market will move as per you, no, it will not. You have to always set your SL. Okay, and trailing SL, these two things, what will happen? Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2.8715. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, we will see it will fall further down, and a probability of crossing a level of 2.7976 is there. 2.7976 is already being a weak resist support, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go further low towards a level of $2.7150. Okay, and once the price started falling below $2.7150, we will see it will touch a level of $2.6177, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.5108. This 2.5108 is creating a pattern. If you look at this, a long pattern, that once started falling below 2.5, chances will be high it will go further down towards $2.3, and from there a probability of touching $2.3 to a level of 2.2 we can see, because there is a clear pattern forming. So chances will be high after 2.5, chances of going towards 2.3 to a level of 2.2, and from there a probability of going below a level of 2.0714 is there. Okay, and then from there a further low we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.